Hi guys, today you are going to create your own Jeopardy, okay?
Okay.
Are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, so we're going to create questions about animals, okay? Using I can jump. Repeat, I can jump.
I can jump.
Or I can swim.
I can swim.
Now, maybe the animal has body parts, like I have a tail.
I have a tail.
I eat meat.
I eat meat.
I am green.
I am green.
And big.
And big.
I live in Africa.
I live in Africa.
So, I live in houses. I have 8 legs. I eat insects.
A spider?
It's a spider.
It's a spider.
Yes, excellent. Now, team A. Team A. Team A.
Team A. Team A.
Team B.
Team B. Team B. Team B.
You'll write some riddles, animal riddles, and you'll write some other animal riddles. Okay? Ready? And okay, let's get back to it. Whoa! You guys!
Yeah.
Amazing. So you wrote questions behind these papers to ask this team, and you guys wrote questions here to ask this team.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with Team B. You're gonna answer questions, okay? So, you need to choose a column. We choose column 1, we choose column 2, we choose column 3. Which column do you choose?
We choose column 1.
Okay, together. We choose column 1. Wait.
We choose column 1.
Now, how many points? How many points do you want to win? 100 points, 200 points, or 300 points?
100 points.
Okay, we want 100 points.
We want 100 points.
Okay, ask them the question.
I can swim. I have a beak. I am black and white. I live in Australia.
In
Antarctica. I am a penguin.
I am a penguin.
I am a penguin.
Is it the answer?
Yeah.
Yes, excellent. So, Team B, 100 points. That one is for you. Let's continue. They get to answer 3 questions, okay?
Okay.
Before it's your turn. Okay, we choose column 1, we choose column 2, we choose...
We choose
Column
2.
Okay, how many points?
200
200.
points.
200 points. Go, girls, go.
Okay. I can swim. I am black and white. I eat meat.
Oh,
I am a...
Let's repeat. I can swim.
I am black and white. I eat meat.
A killer whale.
I'm a killer whale.
I am a killer whale.
Yes!
Excellent, okay.
So 200 points.
Woo!
Okay. So one more.
We choose column 1. We want 300 points.
Woo!
I live in the city. I eat trash. I have a long tail. I am a...
Ooh, that's 300 points.
A cat?
No. It's not a cat. No, sorry. You don't get the 300. Sorry. It was a...
Raccoon.
No, it was a rat. Remember, you said it was a rat. It was a rat. A rat. Well, raccoon? A raccoon works
Yeah,
too.
it can
Yes, it can work. But sorry, guys. Sorry. So it's not for you. Now it's your turn to ask the questions. Are you guys ready to answer questions?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's do it. Now. You can, of course, adapt this to a lot of themes, a lot of questions. You can have a lot more questions, a lot more points if you want, different levels. So really, this is an example for a very typical and universal game. Please have fun with this. It's a great game. Thanks a lot. Bye.